Hello and welcome to your video. My name is Shaden and this is Joomla. In this video, we'll look at the alert element in JD Builder. The alert element is very useful in case you want to display a notice to your users or something of the sort, something that stands out. Let's go ahead and add one real quick. You can add one by clicking the plus sign anywhere in your layout manager. I'll go ahead and do that. And in case you're wondering why I have this layout, you may not have the live preview on. That's why, I have it here. So you may be seeing this screen. By turning on live preview, you can kind of get the layout I have. I'll go ahead and move it to the top, which is where we need it, at the very top. And then we'll go ahead and edit it. So the purpose can be anything. In this case, we'll just say, copyrighted content, do not copy. We want to tell the users to not copy the content of this page. The very first option is admin label. So you can put a label, they'll help you identify the element in the backend. And the type is really, these are 6 different default styles that exist. These are similar to Bootstrap styles if you're familiar with that, but we'll use the danger one for now, which kind of gives a red text and background kind of thing. In the heading, we'll put copyright notice, and then you'll see all sort of heading typography appears if you want to change the font size or anything. We won't be doing any of this, but you are more than welcome to change these settings if you want to. In the content, I will add this page. The content of this page is copyright protected. Please do not copy. All right, I can also change the typography or the font size or any of that for the content itself. Let's say I just want to have the content in bold, or this is how it would look. And I can have an icon too, so we'll add the standard copyright icons. You can search for these icons here. These are font awesome icons, just pretty standard that you have everywhere. And the last option is the dismiss button. You can offer a close. So let's say you say copyright notice, the content of this page is copyright protected, and once the user has read it, you want the user to be able to close this. You can add a dismiss button, and that would allow the user to close this. If you want the message to be permanently available and not let the user close it ever, you can disable the dismiss button. And that's all in the basic tab. The design tab is same for all elements, so we won't be going through all of them. The only one unique to this element is the typography, which lets you either work out the alignment for this and change the colors on this one. So let's say you want to change the heading color to this weird yellow, which won't look good by the way, but just because we can change, we'll try changing it. And again, it doesn't look good, so we'll change it back. You can change the text color as well. And if you have links, you want to say the content of this page is copyright protected, please read our terms of conditions here. You can use the links for that, so you can have a link, and you can work at the link color and the link mouse over color. You can control the alignment as well using the text align option. So the default is inherited from its parent, so this is living inside a section which is center aligned, that's why it's center. If you want to force left alignment, you can do that very easily. So you select left and it'll be left aligned, or you can also align it right. We'll just go with center because that's what suits the rest of the rhythm of the page. Let's look at all these styles as well, just so you get an idea of what they look like. So the success is a green one. The primary is this bluish color, as you can see it. The secondary is this grayish color. That looks really good, by the way. And the warning one is this yellow sign, which also looks good. And again, you may have already seen these colors, as these are default Bootstrap colors. And the info is this light blue color, kind of a second shade of primary. So we can go with info and add a dismiss button as well, and save it. And there you go. We have our copyright notice on our page. That looks really good. So it tells the user copyright notice, the content of this page is copyright protected, do not copy. And that's the one of many uses of the alert element. Thank you for watching.